Hello, I like make today strawberry milkshake shark cupcakes. What we need for this recipe, first of all, preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Line a 12-hole muffin tray with blue color paper liners. So once we've done that, I set them aside, and we're using an electric mixer to beat our ingredients. And what we need is, we need place 125 gram of butter softening, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, followed by half cup of caster sugar, followed by 2 eggs. So what we do is, we beat these ingredients for about 5 minutes until mixture becomes thick and pale. Once we finish beating, what we do have next, we have 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of Nesquik strawberry flavored powder, and we have 1 cup and a quarter of self-raising flour. So what we do is we add half of flour and half of milk and stir to combine. Then we add strawberry Nesquik, rest of flour and the rest of milk. So now we stir to completely incorporate it. Once it's all combined, divide mixture into among our prepared muffin tray. Once divide among 12 paper liners, what we do is we bake for 25 minutes or until cakes is spring bake when you touch, or simply use skewer and insert it into center, comes out clean. So once they baked, take it out and leave in a pan for about 5 minutes. Then transfer to cooling rack to cool completely down. Tint buttercream or vanilla frosting. You can choose basically vanilla frosting from the supermarket or make your own buttercream. Tint with blue gel food coloring, whatever you have available in your country, to make sure make frosting blue color. Mix properly, simply set aside. So what we do is, for the decorations, first of all we will make 6 boys. So for that, what we do is place basically baking paper on your working surface and place a tray on top of it. Use royal icing and place in the container. So add small amount of water bit by bit until achieve smooth and thick but still spreadable consistency. Just add small amount bit by bit. Mix it all together. Place 6 rice cookies. This one particular rice cookies, they come in a shape like that and perfect to make it boys. Some extra to make sure you have plenty for any case if some of those will be broken. Once it's thick but still kind of pourable, what we do is use one of those zip lock bags. Pour prepared royal icing. Get rid of all the air and pump it. Any excess will drip down. What we do is we leave for about 30 minutes to make sure it's dry and set. Use a leftover of royal icing or mix a little bit more if you need so, and use red gel food coloring to add to make red color icing, royal icing. So mix it up, salt mixed, place in a small Ziploc bag. Snip a small corner from the bag and pipe on top of our boys. We do is next, we just let it set and harden. Once everything set, we can decorate it. As you can see, this boys comes really great, and cupcakes also has a nice, neat, great shape. So what we do is we place our blue frosting into a piping bag fitted with fluted nozzle. It's about 1 centimeter in diameter. And what we do, we're using for decorations lollities, just like this. We need 2 for each cupcake. It depends how many you want to decorate into sharks. For the fins, we're using sour strip, blue sour strip, like from this sort of packets. And for eyes, we're using simply candy eyes. They can be purchased from supermarket or candy stores. So what we do is place our cupcake. We take our teeth, and what we do is we just simply start cutting. I just want to bring up a little bit closer, make sure you just able to have a look close. And we simply start trim them into a more sharper way with a clean kitchen scissors. Away from inside part of pink gum, it just makes it easier to attach for the cupcake, just slightly slimmer. So we need 2 of those to place it like that. For the fin, make sure one side is straight, and we just simply cut fin shape. Next is our tail. We have now funny looking shark. Now we finish decorating our strawberry milkshake shark cupcakes. I hope you like this recipe. Everything will be in the description box, inches and ounces, and whole the method as well. If you have any questions, please do write. I hope you like this simple fun recipe, and thank you very much for your time with me. Until next time, goodbye.